Hi there, my name is Anthony. I work as a teacher in Toronto. And at my school, we just had the Cooperation Assembly for the month of April. You see, we were recognizing the character trait of cooperation in April. And every single month, we recognize different character traits. And what I like to do is I like to play songs with my guitar and with the choir and other students that I teach at these assemblies that reflect the theme of the month. And so what I thought I would do is I thought I'd post the song that I wrote called Cooperation, because I'm always searching frantically for songs. And maybe some people out there might want to use some of the ideas from my song to help them. So anyway, so my song is called Cooperation, and for those guitarists out there, I have a capo on the first fret of the guitar, and the song is written in the key of C, with the chords of A minor, G, C, and then F. So, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Cooperation for you and me. Cooperation want to see. Cooperation for us all. Cooperation is the goal. In school, at home, anywhere we are, cooperation is the word. In school, at home, anywhere we are, cooperation is the word. Be here now, you and me, cooperate and you'll see. Drop your guard, look at me. Cooperation is the key. In school, at home, anywhere we are, cooperation is the word. In school, at home, anywhere we are, cooperation is the word. I'm okay, so are you. Cooperate, BugaBoo. Today's your day, up, away. Cooperation's here to stay. In school, at home, anywhere we are, cooperation is a word. In school, at home, anywhere we are, cooperation is the word. There we go, Cooperation. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste. Blessings.